Hello! We're going to read our race car countdown book today. Red light, yellow light, green light, go! Race car 1 honks, look at me. He zooms in front with a turn of a key. Race car 2, all sleek and new, blares, hey, look out, I'm coming too. Race car 3 flies through the rain, a roar of blue zips down the lane. Race car 4, all shiny red, rumbles, grumbles, pulls ahead. Race car 5 is but a blink, her nickname, Beep, is Little Pink. Race car 6 is going strong, steady does it, can't go wrong. Race car 7 squeals, I'm the best. His speedy engine aced the test. Race car 8 is dynamite. Thunders, roars, swerves to the right. Look at number 8. Race car 9 goes blowing by. Show off, she's not camera shy. Race car 10 has finished last. Still, his wheels are lightning fast. All lined up, 10 in a row. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red light. Yellow light, green light,